Hello guys, so we are in Canberra and we already went to breakfast and now we are going to the parliament. We're gonna take a look, we're gonna walk, we're gonna record as much as we can. At least we have our camera working. The first impression of the city is it's just like a little town with townhouses, like fancy ones, and a lot of space. The roads are super wide. I think that you should build this type of things if your city has at least like 5 million people and more. But here they have, we're gonna be here, how many? Everything is literally just empty. There may be like 10 more people, I think, in the whole building with us. I think there were some groups of children, like the kids from the school and stuff.
Even to find a restaurant was kind of hard because all the roads, everything looks empty, totally empty.
We're gonna explore more, of course, but so far it feels exactly like this, so and actually it's cool to see the kids here with this type of uniform. When I was 12, I think 13, I was also going to one of the local Australian schools. I was living here for I think 1 or maybe 1.5 years. But in Russia, where I actually grew up, they all have exactly the same uniform. Black pants, black jacket, white shirt, and that's it. Here is more interesting.
When those bells are ringing, these are going down, counting. So that's the 4 minutes.
लोकसभा is CM, Rajya Sabha is PM.
And this one looks exactly the same, but just without the Australian flags here. The Parliament Hall. The representatives here told us that the elections go every 3 years. They have elections at least. Because the level of life here is just crazy. Well, I mean, I'm pretty sure there's a little bit of corruption everywhere, but comparing with the other countries like Mexico or for example Russia back home, it's crazy, it's just ridiculous.
It's supposed to be a super old building, but everything looks just brand new.
Okay. And we are on the rooftop. That looks stunning. We are at the Australian War Memorial. The parking here is the cheapest so far. The tickets to many of the museums are free, like for example to this memorial we just needed to claim our badge. And we're gonna watch the last post ceremony.
Please switch off mobile phones or switch them to silent. Please be respectful and quiet throughout the ceremony, and please remove hats for the national anthem, the reading of the oath, and the sounding of the last post. The last post ceremony will commence shortly. Senator, the Honourable Linda Reynolds, Senator for Western Australia, and Dr. Mark Esper.
They do it every single day in the war in the year without any exceptions, and every day is a story of a different person who served one time or another, one place or another, and lost the life. So it's just crazy. There's so many different people here, some patriots, Marines, and I'm just surprised at how they managing to do it every single day, like literally every day. It's crazy. So the ceremony is already finished, and we're just heading to have some lunch. I wouldn't say it's lunch, it's already dinner, no?
This is 5.
Yeah, so it's 5 p.m. Yeah, so we're gonna just get some food and come back home.